Thank you so much. I really welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Kwara Ronald, and today I am going to take you through something called the publish information sources. And here I had already created some slides. Let's move and check from here. I have saved it here. Let's check it out. Yes, here. So we're going to look at the published information sources, and I'm going to open this one. So this one here is already the slides that I have already created. I have so far created two slides. On the first slide, we are going to have the published information sources, and on the next slide, that is slide number 2, we are going to have a look at some of the examples of these sources. When we talk of the published information sources, this means that where can we exactly get informations that have already been edited, that are well polished with there. That is why they have said it's already published, already the one that has already been organized very well and very okay, of which when you happen to start reading it, going through it, you can get to understand it better. That is why they are saying it's already published. So there are some of the sources where we can get all this kind of information that have already been edited in a way that you can read and get to understand, you analyze well. Okay, it is very easy for you to understand the informations well. It's not like the raw informations. So these are some of the examples of the sources that we can really get the informations from. Number 1, journals. Okay, for example, academic articles. You know very well when we talk of journals. Okay, someone may ask that, what is journals? No, when you talk of journalism, those are some of the people who always give out information. They look for every sources of informations, and before they bring out the informations, they have to first publish it very well, and they bring out the information. It's not just like guesswork. So that is it. Number 2, books. Example, there we can talk of the comprehensive coverage. Okay, so there are some of the books that we always get informations from, like for example these books like the chemistry book, the demystifying, the BS, something of that kind. Okay, those are already books that have already been published. Okay, so that you can really get to understand the information. Where have these all sources come from? Who has edited them? And the next one is, so we are here. Number 1, we are done. Number 2, books, examples, comprehensive coverage. And the next one is conference papers. That is research presentation. Okay, so we are also going to talk about we also get informations from the papers. Okay, the conference papers. And the next one is the reports, organizational findings. Okay, because when you are writing a certain reports, before you take them out to be understood by some of the people, really you have to first publish them, and then therefore you can now bring out the reports. And the last one, we are going to have gray literature. That is gray literature, or the government documents. Okay, so this one here is basically for some of the issues concerning the government. Okay, maybe they have brought a certain bill. Okay, yeah, out of, or there is a certain budget being carried out. So these are what we call what the published sources of informations. These are some of the examples. I have already talked of them. We have journals, we have books, we have conference papers, we have reports, and then finally we have gray literature. Otherwise, thank you so much for listening. I believe if you happen to use these such sources very well, you can get to understand them into detail. Thank you so much.